Okay, so I started recording. So what is this file sharing? What is the file sharing? File sharing, we never share the file. There is no option. So it is folder sharing. We share a folder. Inside a folder, we have other folders and files are there. So we are sharing. Means we share from a PC or a device or laptop. We share a folder from a PC and access that folder from other PC or device. Other PC through network using network. That's a sharing folder. We share it from here, access from there. Okay, guys, for our understanding, what I'm doing is earlier I use PMVM. PM means physical machine, VM means virtual machine. But here I'm using like this. PC 224 means my physical machine. Okay, it is my physical machine. My physical machine also one machine, right? This is my physical machine. Okay, I'm trying to explain what is the practical we are going to do. Okay, this is my virtual machine. Both are Windows 10 machines only, right? Now this IP address is 192.168.2.24, and already we done a ping testing. Both are communicating each other. Okay, next time I use these names for explaining this thing. Okay, so this is my one of the PC, that is PC 139. Here I shared a folder. I created a folder. I put some files in that folder. I put some files in that folder. Okay, I share this folder. I share this folder. And I have another system. It is my PC 24. Okay, means my physical machine it is. These two machines are connected to network. Physically, we can't see what network it is connected, how wires are connected, but it is connected. Okay. Now, from here, I will access this folder, shared folder. So I can see the files. What are the files are there in this one? I can see. I can put the data. I can take out the data from there. This is basic sharing. So we'll see how to share and how to access. Accessing is very important. Sharing is very easy. Okay. Again, guys, this is required your corporation, full corporation. Do it. The first one is, so we'll go to PC 139. We share from here. We access from there. So here it is. I create a folder. Folder name is data1. Okay, and put some files in data1. Step by step. Step by step. Put some files in data1. Next, right click on data1. Right click, properties, sharing tab is there. Okay, sharing tab is there. Then there you have to put a share this folder. So next, go to permissions. everyone is already there. Full control. Next, go to security tab. Go to security tab, edit, add everyone, full control. Okay, so then finally okay. So we'll do it. How to do it? First one is create a folder. On my desktop only I created. Okay, on my desktop only I created. Folder name is data1. Okay, folder name is data1. So magnifier. When you open magnifier for first time, it will slow. Go to settings. Go to settings. Change it to 100%. So here it is. Levels are there. I put a 25 level. Uncheck this option. Close it. Now you can able to see things very closely. Guys, can you able to see my data one?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I'm creating some files here, or you can copy file from somewhere. F11 file, F12 file, something. In F11 file, I put a this is F11 file. So I put a this is F12 file. So I put a files also. Good. Now what to do? Right click on it. Properties. Properties. Sharing. Sharing. Network path. Share. Sorry. Don't go to this option, guys. If you go this, you can share it. You can share it like a everyone share. Add. Read and write. Share. We can share it. But this is not a proper sharing or another sharing. There is a lot of ways to share is there. I'm not doing it. I'm canceling it. Okay. What I'm trying to do is only one way only I will tell. There are a lot of ways to share. Give access to specific people like that. It is lot of sharing. The thing is there. I'm not doing anything. Just I'm doing only one way. Properties. Make sure it is a data one. Sharing. Advanced sharing. Advanced sharing. That's the point I missed here. So while I'm typing, I missed that point here. So look at here. Properties. Sharing tab. Okay. Advanced sharing. Next one is you get to share this folder kind of stuff under this one. So you can get it advanced sharing. Share this folder. Share name I'm not changing here. I will change it next time, but currently it is data one only. How many number of users can able to access this folder at a time? At a time, 20 members. 20 members can able to access this folder at a time. Permissions. Everyone is there already. Full control. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Next one is go to security. Check the network path. This is the network path. So next is security. Edit. Add. Everyone. Click OK. So click on everyone. You can give full control or leave like that also, no, because our read and write is already checked. Apply. Okay. And finally, you got you shared done. So close it. Now sharing is completed. Okay, sharing is completed. Next one is access. Sharing is completed. Next one is access. How to access? All are okay, okay. Close finally. This is for access. So go to your PC 224. Go to run. You can run. Put these slashes, guys. These slashes. And put IP address of our PC. IP address. When you put it, if you are it is get connected, so then it will shows like a username, password. Okay. So when we see this PC is sharing, okay, this is share data, share folders. This is to access folders. So in this one, compulsory check the username. What is my username here? Student1, first account. Password admin@123. So here also same thing. Username of this 139 is student1 and the password is admin@123. Okay, so then you can check. You can able to see the files. So in my PC, my physical machine, Windows are 192.168.2.220, sorry, 139. If it is not working, then there is another troubleshooting is also. Yeah, we got a username and password. What is username? Student1. What is the password? Admin@123. Click OK. Guys, are you able to see this thing? Enter network credentials.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I can able to see data 1. See, there is a 2 files from my physical machine, means from my machine, my other machine, I can able to access the data. And I got a full control. It meaning is I can put some data inside also. So I want to upload some application from here. Okay, so I'll go to app folder. Then this is the Oracle 11, 12 kind of stuff is there. So I want to put some Java. I think this is easy. Java 8. So copy. And where is that shared folder? Here it is. So I'm copying this one into data 1. So it is copied. Okay, just closing it. Where is this? Yeah, here it is. So this is the data 1. See, like this. We can upload data. We can download data also. Guys, understand sharing folders?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, same scenario, little different. So when I created data 1, and 1. Instead of data 1, I created data 2. Okay. So I put some files in the data 2. I go to right click on a data 2, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder. Then here I put a share name. Share name is share2. Share name is share2. Okay. So I'm changing my share name. Remaining are same. Remaining are all are same. Is also same. Okay. This access part is also same. No difference. Okay. But you are already accessed. It won't ask you username and password again. Okay. Now we'll see. Create a new folder. I can do with the same folder, but I want to create new folder to see how to do it. So I'm creating another. Yeah, it is. I created directory. Yeah, you can create a directories also, no problem. Okay, I created a file. This is F22. Save it. Best for testing. Now tell me how to share this data to. Right click. Very good.
Sharing. Advanced sharing.
Very good.
Share this folder. Data
Very
to.
good. Only share name I said change. Okay, share name only I'm changing.
Permission. 1.
Everyone full control.
Apply. Okay.
Security.
Edit. System add.
Everyone.
Okay. Control.
It is done. Close. Sharing is done. Now access. Same thing, //192.168.2.139. Click OK. See, share to. Instead of data to, it's showing share to. So your original data name is different and your sharing is different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, one more sharing is there. Totally this one plus another one is there. So we'll see that one. I put a data 3. I put some files in a data 3. In this share name, little change. I put a share $3. Instead of share 3, I put a share $3. All remaining is same, no change. So we access like this or different way. We'll see that one. So there is a difference is there. So again, I'm creating a folder. Data 3. Put some file. Okay. Again, I'm sharing. Again, right click, properties.
Properties. Sharing. Advanced sharing. Share this folder. Name change.
Change the name to some name with a dollar in backside. Okay.
Permission.
Permissions. Full control.
Everyone.
Okay. If you
Okay.
don't want to give full control, you can only give read.
Security.
Edit.
Edit. Add. Everyone. Check
Check
names.
names. Okay.
Okay.
You can click OK also, no problem.
Okay.
Close.
Close.
Sharing is done. Again, I open //192.168.3.2.139. Where is that share 3? I shared properly as I shared data 1 that like this. Share 2. But I am not able to see where it is located. Okay. But how to get it? Look at here. Share 3 $. Without knowing share name, you can't able to access the data. See it's the file. This is the folder. So compulsory you have to access with the folder name. For example, you go back, you will get like this only. You cannot see that dollar thing. Okay. So directly we can't able to see. You must know what is the share name. So to do it, run or directly also in a browser 192.168.2.139 slash $3. So like this, you can able to access. This type of sharing is like a administrative share. Only people knows the shared folder name they can able to access. Others cannot. So these are the three things like sharing, accessing sharing, administrative sharing. And practically with the same name we shared, with a different name we shared, and finally we shared with certain name. But if you know this complete name, then only you can able to access. Last one is map network drive. Map network drive. What is the network drive here? So when I want to access certain file, so I'll go to sharing and open the folder, access it. Or I want to put some files in it. Okay, open the sharing and put the file. So every time you are doing it, it is little difficult, right? So every time we are doing the same thing, it is little difficult, right? So what I'm trying to do is, you shared a folder. Okay, this might be like how you C drive, D drive, you're accessing. Same thing like some Y drive or Z drive. So must be like your data one. What are the data you are putting here? Data is available. What are the data I put it here? It is can able to show you here. It's a map or network drive. We are mapping this drive, mapping the network drive to like this, mapping that shared folder as a network drive. So for that one, so we are in our client PC. Next, go to run. Which folder you want to make as a mapper drive? For example, data one. Okay. So on data one, right click, choose map network drive. Okay, there it will ask for a drive letter. anywhere okay or finish something. Now check this PC. Okay, so this is already sharing is there. No need to share anything new. You can use the existing one. So opening sharing. My target is data one. Right click. Map network drive. Map network drive. Y drive, because of Z drive is already taken. So I put a Y drive is there already. So it's okay. Just finish. See this? This is the shared folders from data one. See, look at here. C drive, D drive, H drive, F drive, and then Y drive. The Y drive contains some data. You can put some data here. Data goes to this data one. If you put a data in this data one, the data goes to the drive. You know what is this cross mark? Earlier, I have done in a batch 16. Okay, in that PC, a shared directory, and I mounted it. Now the machine is turned off, so I can't able to connect it. Understand? The machine, the 234 machine, 237 machine is down. Okay, currently I'm not using. So obviously it is disconnected. So the disconnected one, you can very simply remove by right clicking and choose like a remove network drive kind of stuff. You have to choose it. Just disconnect. So it is got removed. Same thing. If you no longer require this one, just right click and disconnect. Why it is showing 40 GB free? Because this folder is shared from PC desktop. The desktop is belongs to C drive. It is a C drive's free space is showing. That's it. Okay. What are the data you put it here? Data goes to the data one in the physical machine. Here. Okay. So this is about sharing with some name, sharing with administrative sharing, accessing, and map network drive. The last point in here is there. I shared some data. So 3 folders I shared. Okay. So normally it is on desktop. We can able to see directly. Think about these directories. Shared folder is located in your PC, something like E drive, and there is a folder inside that folder, like that. Okay. So if it is in the one of the directory in the multiple directories, that too in the big hierarchy. So what happened? You can't know what are the sharing is there, but we don't know what folders are shared, what is their shared names. Like data 2. Data 2 is shared. What is its shared name? Like that, you can able to get it. Look at here. So I'm going to command prompt. One is through command prompt, you can able to see it. You can put a command net share. So what are the folders are shared? Seek is data 1, location of data 1, share 2, share name, location of data 2, share 3, dollar, but location of original location of folder. So this is net share. Net share. Another one is go to comp mgmt msc Here you can also see shared folders, shares. See it is where is the exact location of this data. So data 1 location, data 2 location, data 3 location means share 2 and share $3 locations. You can able to see it. Currently who is accessing kind of stuff also it will show. Okay. So this is sharing. To get a share name, and shared folder location along with the locations you can use in command prompt net share. Another one is go to comp mg mt.msc comp mgmt.msc. So you can say shared folder or what, right? Shares. So this is to know what are the files are shared and what is their location. So this is all about your sharing. Guys, understand? Can you able to do sharing?
Yes, sir.
Now take a break.